Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Friday, and let's talk about this market. It's been a hell of a week. Let's go to the SPY. Start off here. We are in a little bit of I can't even call this a pullback. It's a dip. I can't call it a pullback because we didn't even come close to hitting 3%. We tagged the 21 day and held. And if you're not in the room, what you're missing out on here is, we talk about this all the time. Since we came off the August lows, the 21 day has only been breached once with a close below it on August 1st. So yesterday, we knew that was a very strong support again, not a place to go short. And here we are above the 8 days. We have about 2 hours left on Friday. I'm leaving a little bit early. So what's this all mean? Well, it means this market remains ridiculously strong. Um, you know, can we go higher from here? Yeah, absolutely. Do I think we go higher from here? Yep. And I'm not looking to short this market. Do I wish we get a bigger dip? 1,000%. Would love a bigger dip, but market is holding in. We're still in this channel. Nothing's changed. The Qs look similar. You look at the IWM back up a little bit today. The Dow, not so much. Energy's been on a little bit of a tear this week. Not sure why, but sure. The financials are holding just fine. Nothing to worry about there. The semis hit a new all-time high this week, pushing back up. Taiwan semi beaten down a bit. Don't worry, Intel's not going to hurt their business. Intel new highs here. U2, U2 can buy a piece of Intel. They'll sell it to anybody right now to kick more money in that they'll screw up. Nvidia mostly quiet, not doing much. AMD keeps trying to push but can't go. ARM, Qualcomm, right? A lot of these names just going sideways, still looking just fine. Bitcoin, Bitcoin's having a rough week, up a little bit today, but having a rough week. Coin showing that, getting beating up a bit. BMNR kind of beaten up down a little bit. We'll see how these trade out at the end, but nothing here exciting to me. We go to big cap tech. Microsoft remains out of play, just sideways. Amazon has been beaten the hell out of since Oracle earnings for no good reason. Up a little today, but still looks vulnerable. Still looks like it wants to touch that 200 day around 214. Oracle on the 21 day, still looking a little bit vulnerable here, not acting all that great. No news on Tesla. Oh, I'm sorry. Musk, Thiel, and Bannon named in Epstein docs revealed by Dems, and Tesla's popping. So, Greg, you tell me. Sorry, we're still trading live here today, so you guys got to hear this. How is this? Yeah, doesn't care. Nobody cares. Let's just be real. Nobody cares. Oracle, again, continues to be a little bit vulnerable here. Um, Tesla. Tesla, nice move up today. Still looks great. Meta still looks weak. Apple, I'm very long Apple. Apple looks good. Tried to break out just now, came back in, but looks so good there. Google, kind of holding in, looks a little weak, looks tired, like it's resting. Hood also resting, consolidating. Palantir, same thing. China names this week. Baba, another huge move. Bull is very perky here, looking good. Boeing traded this a couple times this week, did well most of the times, lost today. Boeing still looks good, not, the cleanest of charts. Costco, looking quiet. You're looking for concerns out there? Sure, there's concerns. There are definitely concerns. Inflation, especially on food, is very high. Job market looks weak. Retail, the consumer looks weak. We're seeing already warnings that retail is not hiring people for the upcoming holiday season like they normally would. Costco saying they're seeing problems with renewals, that people aren't renewing as much, and inflation problems. But the market's just shrugging this off. So for now, it doesn't matter. Next week could go in. Last week before we start getting into some more earnings here. And we'll see. Right now this market just doesn't seem to care. It's very complacent. And until that changes, you stay long. You keep finding ways to get longer. Guys, I'll do some charts on Sunday morning for you guys and live with you guys on Monday morning. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to join us. Everybody have a absolute wonderful weekend.